Hi, today we're going to take a look at a hitch lock. So if you've got a caravan with an Alco style hitch like this one, it's a very good idea to fit a lock to it, stop someone hitching it up, dragging it away. This is the Caravan Stronghold lock. It's an alternative to the Alco brand and many others, Bulldog and so on. There's lots of them around. We're going to look at today at the Caravan one. First, it comes with a handy little bag to keep this in, so you can keep it safe in a cupboard inside the caravan. It won't scratch anything. They are really quite heavy, so having it in the bag stops it damaging anything in the cupboard. You've got the lock itself, the frame that goes around the hitch, the bolt that goes to the bottom, and the little ball that goes in the hitch, and I'll explain and show you how this works now. It comes with 3 keys. So the first thing you do is take this little hitch ball and pop it in here, lift the hitch handle. Okay, that's going to stop someone putting the tow ball into the caravan itself. Then you take the cover. You can see it's got a little bar, goes over the handle like so and over like this. Unlock it, he said, like so. Feed it through. You can go through either way. I'm going to put the lock this side so you can see what we're doing, and just twist the key, lock it off, and that's it. And now nobody can pull your handle up to get a tow ball in there. It's blocked anyway. Perfectly secure. A simple idea, really easy to use, and we think money well spent.